In this video, I'm going to uncover the secrets of making money by uploading Facebook Reels in 2023. So brace yourselves because every social media platform has jumped on the short content bandwagon. We're going to be talking about YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikToks and so on. And the interesting part is that all of these platforms have figured out a genius way to keep content creators motivated and rewarded. That's why the Facebook Reels Play Bonus program was born to make sure you're rewarded for your incredible content. And there's also an Instagram Reels Playback program, a YouTube Shorts fund, which is designed for content creators who post original content. And as you know, TikTok also pays your content creators to post these short clips. Although it's not the most generous payment, you see, when it comes to creating these short clips, there are a lot of different ways to do it. Every so often, there's a new trend that catches everyone's interest. For example, you can focus on building a personal brand. If you're a professional in a specific industry, you can create a Facebook page or Instagram account and post relevant content so that you can actually teach people something they can find value in. In exchange, your content will receive a lot of publicity. You can also focus on the following trends. Whenever there is a new trend or a new popular challenge, you can participate in it. You can try posting funny, short and fun clips. There are a bunch of different approaches that you can take, but a lot of people are very skeptical about it, and I can see why. You might not be interested in recording yourself doing silly things on camera and having it publicly available, like rehearsing a funny TikTok dance. It's not something everyone wants to do, really, and personally, I wouldn't do it either, and I understand if you feel the same way. But before we continue, let's see how we can make money from your Facebook Reels. I've got a great idea to share with you, a real life example that will blow your mind. If you want to earn money with these short clips, they must be unique and original. You can't just download viral videos from YouTube or TikTok and repost them on other platforms. That won't work, I'm afraid, and it's not fair to those creators, right? So let's focus on creating your own content. You can see these videos in a certain way. So let me introduce you to the concept of fair use. You see, fair use is a type of license that allows one party to use a copyrighted video like a TikTok without asking permission from the actual owner. But to do that, you need to add some value to the original clip, like a review or a comment. For example, you can download one of these viral clips from TikTok, add a commentary, and it will be considered as an original piece because you added your contribution to it. And that's what Dylan Anderson is doing here. You see, this YouTube content creator currently has around 4 million subscribers, but the craziest thing is that they generated more than 6 billion views. They've had their account for a while, but haven't posted since 2010. On some of their most popular uploads, they've literally got millions of views. But the fact is that he does not record the videos himself. He just adds something to the video to make it an original piece, and that's it. But he's also not trained to be funny. He's just narrating this clip. Let me show you an example.
He then had to retrace his steps so he didn't make any more footprints in the snow to ruin it. He stood there for a while thinking it was finally done, and then remembered he should add.
All he does is literally explain the original video, and for some reason people really like this. All he has to do is watch these videos a few times, maybe check the comments for more information, and then he uploads it to his audience. He abides by the fair use policy, which means he has no problem getting paid for these videos, and he gets millions of views because those videos were already viral in the first place. The shorts have already proven to be a success, so you don't have to guess what will go viral and what won't. So it's a very unique and very simple approach when it comes to posting short clips, whether it's YouTube, TikTok or Facebook Reels. But let's go back to Facebook. You see, since February 2022, Facebook Reels have become available in 150 countries around the world. The launch is taking place on Facebook for iOS and Android devices so everyone can watch. And unfortunately, not anyone can be paid to download them, and this is the main disadvantage of Facebook Reels. So let me break it down. Whilst I was doing my research, I found out eligibility for the Facebook Reels Game Bonus program is significantly limited. So if you want to become eligible to claim Facebook Reels bonus program and get paid for downloading these clips, then you must live in the United States, and if you live somewhere else, you won't be eligible, and you must be at least 18 years old, and you have to follow community standards. You can do your own research and find out more by clicking on this link. Other than that, you must stick to community guidelines. You can find out more by clicking here. You must respect and abide by Facebook's partner monetization policies, which is another set of policies that you must comply with. You must have created at least 5 reels in the last 30 days, and your account may be older than 30 days, which is self-explanatory, and you must have played at least 100,000 reels in the last 30 days. These are the requirements. So to narrow it down, you must have posted at least 5 reels in the last month, and you need to have at least 100,000 plays, which isn't incredibly difficult with Facebook Reels. Remember that all of these social media platforms heavily promote short form content, but the main drawback here is that it's only available in the United States. And what you need to understand is that Facebook Reel Play Bonus is a narratively new concept, so I'm pretty sure they're working hard to expand it to other parts of the world as well. Meta has also implemented the so-called Instagram Reels Play, which is an unavoidable bonus program that allows you to earn money on your Reels content. If you're invited, you will receive a pop-up notification and an invitation that will appear in your business dashboard in the Instagram app, and it actually looks something like this. As you can see, this indicates that you are eligible for monetization. But again, even when it comes to getting paid on Instagram, it's pretty hard to control. You see, compared to YouTube with longer videos like this, where you can actually know for sure how much you'll be paid within a certain range, when it comes to Instagram Reels, you really can't control anything. And starting now, any creator in the United States, Canada and Mexico who is part of its in-app ads program is automatically eligible to monetize their publicly shared Reels with ads. In other words, you can place ads on your Instagram Reels, and it's not too hard to do so as long as you live in one of these countries. So here are the basics when it comes to Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. Some will probably apply for Instagram. As for YouTube, it's one step ahead. You see, until recently, if you wanted to get paid to post their short clips on YouTube, you would have had to invite the YouTube Shorts Fund, which is again an invite-only program where you can't actually control your income. You will get a bonus, but you really can't control how much you earn. But you still need to have 1,000 subscribers, which is not so difficult to achieve, and 10 million views on your YouTube Shorts in the last 90 days. It may seem a little more difficult, but it really isn't. If you post catchy clips, you can get 10 million views within just a few videos. But once you're done, you can also start running ads on your YouTube Shorts and get paid like you normally do with longer videos, right? And it's a great opportunity. In my opinion, Facebook may not be the ideal platform to make money from short clips. I believe that YouTube might be a better option in the future, but only time will tell. However, if you want to get paid for uploading Facebook Reels right now, you know what steps to take. Don't forget to like and subscribe.